I am going to make a bold claim. If I deleted every paid AI tool I own today, I could still build this exact style of viral YouTube channel. In fact, the channel you are looking at right now was built using tools that are mostly free. No animation, no production team, just a workflow. And in the next few minutes, I am going to show you exactly how that workflow works step by step. Forget juggling 10 different prompts, you only need one. I spent weeks testing and refining it specifically for this workflow. You will find it in the description. Copy it, now open Claude free plan. As you can see, I am using free plan as well. Paste the prompt here, press enter. Instead of giving you random ideas, Claude instantly generates 5 highly clickable video concepts designed around this Stickman format. Pick the one you like. I'll go with one. Hit send again. Now things get interesting. Instead of writing a rough outline, Claude builds an entire long-form YouTube script that actually is structured to hold attention. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, even 15 minutes ready to use. Then it automatically packages everything into a downloadable text file. No copying paragraphs one by one. Everything is ready to go. But before we continue, there is one mistake almost every beginners make. And it's probably killing your retention. Most people works like this. Write the script, generate images, record the voice later, then somehow force everything together during editing. It sounds logical, it's also completely backwards because your visual shouldn't control your pacing, your voice should. If your narration feels natural but the image changes at random, people feel something is off, even if they don't know why. That's why they leave. The correct order is simple: voiceover first, visual second always. Here's why. Every natural pause in your narration creates scene change. One sentence and new image. Another pause, next image. You are not guessing anymore. You are following rhythm. And rhythm is what keeps viewers watching. That simple principle is one of the biggest reasons minimalistic Stickman videos outperform videos with expensive animation. Now copy your finished script. Go ahead into Google, search free AI voice generation. You will see a bunch of websites here. I will personally prefer ElevenLabs because ElevenLabs provide human-like AI voiceover. Choose a natural sounding voice, paste your script, generate the audio, download it. In my case, I have already generated the voiceover. Your voiceover now become the blueprint for the entire video, not the other way around. Now, we need to know exactly where each image belongs. Most creators eyeball it. We are not doing that. Go ahead into Google, search free AI transcription. You will see a bunch of websites. I will go with TurboScript. Upload your narration here. Within a minute, it detects every sentence, every pause, every timestamp. Now you know exactly where scene 1 ends, where scene 2 begins, where scene 3 starts. No guessing, no dragging clips around endlessly. Just perfect timing. Download or copy the timestamp file, then paste it back into Google Claude. Claude now creates a detailed image prompt for every timestamp. One prompt, one scene, one visual. If your script has 100 scenes, you will receive 100 prompts. When it finished, ask Claude to export everything into a text file. Now your entire visual plan is ready. Now go ahead into Google, search Google Flow. If you don't have an account, click Create with Google Flow. Create a new project. Disable the agent mode. Click here. Always select image generation. Select your aspect ratio and select 1. Then select Nano Banana 2. With Nano Banana 2, you can create images with free plan. Now copy your prompt and paste it here. Press enter. As you can see, Google Flow is generating my first image. Within a second, your first scene appears. Looks great. But manually repeating this 100 times, that's painful. So here's the shortcut. Go to the Chrome Web Store. Search for JP Flow extension. Here it is. Click add extension. Now go back into Google Flow. Click on the extension. Open the JP Flow. Check whether it connected or not. If this connected properly, you will see connected to Google Flow project. Now go ahead into Claude. Copy all image generation prompt. Then paste it into the extension. You will see all the prompt has been added differently. You can set where to save. Then start generation. As you can see, extension has started creating all the images. Then walk away. Seriously? The extension creates every scene automatically. Download them, keep working while you are doing something else. When it finished, almost every image is ready. If one fails, simply regenerate that single scene. That's it. Now open your favorite editor, import the narration, import every images. drag them into the timeline. Here is the easy part. Each image already has the timestamp where the next scene began. Move your playhead, trim, repeat, because every scene was built around your narration. Everything naturally flows together. No awkward cut, no word pacing, no endless trial and error. Just a smooth storytelling. When everything feels right, export your video. A great video still needs people to click. Go back to Claude, ask it to generate high-CTR title, SEO description, search tag. Done. Claude will instantly give you all the metadata you need. Now, ask for 5 thumbnail concepts, copy them, generate them using Google Flow. Choose the strongest one. Now go ahead and create your channel, upload your first video, publish. That's it. You just created a complete Stickman video using a workflow that cost little to nothing. From idea to script to voice to images to editing to publishing. Everything connected, everything optimized, everything repeatable. I am going to leave you with this. At the beginning of this video, you had nothing. No idea, no script, no voiceover, no images, no thumbnail, no metadata. Now you have everything you need to publish your first Stickman video. So don't spend another week watching tutorials. Open YouTube, upload your first video, hit publish. Then come back to this video and let me know in the comments. My first video is live. I will be reading the comment and I would genuinely love to see what you create. And if you are serious about building a YouTube automation channel with AI, consider subscribing. This channel is brand new and over the next video I will be sharing complete YouTube automation system, AI workflow and everything I am learning as I build. No flop, just practical tutorials you can actually use. Thanks for watching. Now go publish your video.